Hey guys, what's up? I'm Dustin Mankin. This is Excite Video Magazine, and we have another bonus video from America. And today we are unboxing the Samsung 850 Evo, and this particular one is 250 gigabytes. And I have not one, but three of them. And the reason I have three of them, they're all 250 gigabytes. One of them is going to be the system and apps drive on my editing computer when I refurbish it. Another one is going to be like a page file, and it's also going to be the export drive for Adobe Premiere. And the third one is going to be the scratch and working drive when I edit videos. And hopefully the SSD is going to be fast enough that it allows me to do 4K a little bit better. It's a little bit jumpy for me right now, and I think that's because I have a 7200 RPM hard drive. It is SATA 6.0. It is 64 megabytes cache, but it's just not enough, man. Somebody had said that even though RAID 0 is a little bit faster, that the SSDs do pretty good. So we're going to try it out. That does leave me with a little bit less storage on my computer, but I am going to get a Western Digital Blue, like a 1 terabyte, just to hold all the stuff. And then I'm going to move what I'm working on onto the flash drive, work with it, export it, and then put it off to more storage. I'm sorry this is shaking. I'm in America. I don't have most of my stuff with me, so please forgive the quality. Let's go ahead and get this guy opened up. Now, just like with the Western Digital drive, I don't know if I can actually do this one-handed, and it appears that I cannot. So let me get a knife. We are back with a very awesome paring knife. Let's get this guy open. And real fast before we go, I just want to give a big shout out to Newegg. This came at the same time as the Western Digital My Passport, and I got free shipping because of the size of my order. And I paid the $2.99 to get the express handling, and I actually got these the next day. So $2.99 is a lot better than paying like $54 or something for next day shipping. So thank you, Newegg. That's awesome. I am not sponsored by Newegg or anything like that. They just did really good. When companies are bad, we should call them out. But when companies do good, we should also praise them. So that's my praise for Newegg. Awesome as usual. I love Newegg, and I wish they did business in Japan. Newegg, if you are listening, please find a way to open a store in Japan. Now, with that said and done, let me see if I can open this without cutting my fingers off. This thing is pretty dull, but also this box is pretty thin, so it does not stand so well. If the camera is not on point, please forgive me. I'm kind of more worried about not cutting my fingers in it. My goodness, dude, this is horrible. Open. All right, there we go. I did get this sliced open. The seal is broken. And let's try not to dump this one out on the ground like we did the passport. Okay, I think it's coming out the right way. Man, I hate doing this with one hand. I just don't have my GoPro with me, just like in the last video. So please bear with me. This is just going to be an unboxing, not necessarily a review, because I won't be able to review this until I actually get it into my computer. But the packaging is nice. Here is the Samsung solid state drive. As you can see, it's slightly bigger than a credit card. It's about the size of a business card case, maybe a little bit bigger than that. And it's really awesome. I love it, man. It's really sleek looking. And you don't have to worry about anything. You can see there it's 250 gigabytes. It's an 850 Evo. It's VNAND. And there's all your rated for plus 5 volts and all that stuff. But that's pretty much standard, so you don't have to worry about it. You have 2 places for side attachment. You can do bottom attachment. And I mean, that's really all it is. There's your power connector and your SATA connector. And that's all there is to it. And I'm hoping that, you know, the 3 of these. I have a solid state. I have an OCZ in my editing computer right now. And that OCZ has been really good to me. It's 120 gigabytes. It is carried on like a trooper. I actually didn't know much about solid states when I got it, and I've set my computer to defrag, and it was defragging every week for roughly 6 years, and the OCZ never crapped out on me. I'm going to test it and see if it's still in good shape, and if it is, it will probably see use in this computer in some capacity. I do like the game a little bit, so I may even put like Counter-Strike Source and Quake 2 and some of my older games on it. Not because those games require a flash drive, but I have it, and if they can help them perform, I don't see a reason not to. But with that said, this guy is still the star of the show on this computer, and I got 3 of them. I can't wait to get them in there. When I get back home, I have a couple more things I have to buy, and I have to buy some brackets to put this in. I'm going to buy a card reader to put in the front so I can stop using the little USB ones all over the place. And I need to buy a 1 terabyte Western Digital Blue to use as a big storage device for the computer. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna get some more fans because Japan gets really hot and it overheats. But all that's coming in a future video. I don't know exactly when that is yet. It depends on when I get home, when everything gets set up, what my funds look like, and how fast Amazon can get that to me, and how fast I can get that edited. But it is coming, and I will show you the rebuild and the cleaning up with that computer. It has some dust that needs blown out and stuff. So we'll get to it. But anyways, that's enough for this video today, guys. I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, subscribe. I don't always do computer stuff. In fact, I usually don't do computer stuff. I do unboxings every 2 or 3 months when I get stuff. I'm not rich. I'm not sponsored. I get stuff as I get it. I open it with you guys because it's fun. It's fun to show off what you get, and it's fun to let you see what comes in the box. But if you do like JDM cars and stuff like that, which is what I usually do, go ahead and click subscribe for you so you can see when new stuff comes up. I am in the middle of starting Project 180, and that's a series dedicated to my build of my 180 in Japan. If you don't know what a 180 is, it's like a S13 240SX hatch. If you like this video, please go ahead and like it. And if you found it interesting at all, please share it with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.